This is Science Week 21, and we are on day 2. So the first thing you're going to do is read the text here. As always, you can click on the microphone and you can listen, have it read to you if you would like. Pay attention as you're looking at this page. This next page, again, more reading. You're going to make sure you pay attention to the words amplitude and wavelength, because those are going to be things that we talk about a lot and that will be in your assessment tomorrow. Pay attention to that. The next thing you're going to do is label these, the amplitude and the wavelength. Watch the video. Again, always, whatever they ask you to do, there's a reason for you to do it. So watch the video, measure the wave, look at how you could measure the amplitude and the wavelength, and then talk about which wave has more energy and how do you know that. So go back to your reading and think about how would you know which has more energy. The next page you're going to do, you get to play with the PhET simulation again. Those are really fun. And while you're playing with it, don't just be messing around without thinking, because on the last page, you are going to need to answer the 2 questions. In the PhET simulation, what caused the waves to have a large amplitude? And then the second question, how do you create a wave with a small wavelength? So as you're doing the simulation, make sure that you're paying attention so that you can answer all of these questions thoroughly. Have fun.